हेलो फ्रेंड्स आ गया हूँ मैं फिर से एक न्यू गैजेट के बारे में इंट्रोडक्शन देने के लिए। ऐसी वीडियोस के लिए मैं ना हमेशा एक्साइटेड रहता हूँ। क्योंकि मेरे को भी नई नई चीज़ों को अपनी लाइफ में ऐड करना बड़ा ही अच्छा लगता है। तो आज हम जिस गैजेट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं वो है PIVOPOD सिल्वर। What it is, what it does, and how great this product is, let's discuss this. छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दे देता हूँ इसके लिए। ब्लॉगर्स के लिए ये एक एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी का गैजेट है। We will now do the unboxing and we'll see the features plus let's see what all we get inside the box. Stay tuned. Alright, so before we do the unboxing, let's just take a quick look over the box. It has few amazing features. First is auto tracking, 360-degree rotation. Wow. It has a video call facility. It has a multi-stream live facility, auto zoom and quick create modes which are 12 in numbers. It is one of the gadgets which can be well connected to all our social media platforms. Let's see what else we have. Okay, it says that we have got three articles or three items in the box. One is the PIVOPOD silver, second is remote controller, third charging cable. Okay, so now let's quickly see what we get inside. Wow, so this is how the packing and this is how the pod looks like. This looks so amazing. This side, okay, we have got two packets. One is a charging cable and another one is a remote controller. Now so we have got a pod silver, we got a charging cable and we got a remote. Remote is really amazing. Now we'll quickly see how these things works. Okay, so we just have to take the phone and we just need to tie it up with the pod. We have a rotating system which will help to lock your mobile. So once it is locked, you just need to keep it like this. We have the main power button. We just have to press it once and the blue light will come on. That means it's connected. The best part of this remote, the moment we press this button, the remote will automatically connect. So friends, when we have connected with it, it will redirect you to the camera settings and it will tell you the functions. Now it is automatically rotating by itself and explaining the features as it is mentioned on the screen. So the first mode we will be talking about face capturing. Now it is about wherever I will go, it is going to follow me like this. So friends, our next mode, it's automatic zoom in and zoom out. Like you can see, as close I am coming, it is automatically capturing zoom in and similarly it is taking zoom out. इसके फीचर्स को और इसके फंक्शंस किस तरीके से काम करते हैं, क्या क्या इसमें न्यू इनोवेशन बिल्ड होके आया है, हम उसको एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. For that, I would request you to stay tuned for part 2. With features explained and the modes. So I'll soon come back to you. I wish you a great time and have a wonderful day ahead.